Sentence. Do you know what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Okay. Group of suitable words. ठीक है. Group of letters is called word and group of words is called sentence. But group of suitable words is called a sentence. Okay. Definition. A group of suitable words which make complete sense is called a sentence. There are 5 kinds of sentences. ठीक है. There are 5 kinds of sentences. These 5 sentences are very important for our daily life. We use these 5 kinds of sentences in our daily life. ठीक है. First, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence makes a statement. Okay, the sentence which makes a statement is called assertive sentence. There are 2 kinds of assertive sentence, affirmative and negative. Affirmative, in which we shows our affirmation, means acceptance. Affirmative, acceptance, and negative, denial. Okay, we use in negative sentence the negative words. For example, Mohan is a good boy. This is the example of affirmative sentence. And when we say that Mohan is not a good boy, it is negative sentence. In negative sentence, we use not, never, none, nothing, neither, nor. These are the negative words which we use in negative sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question. Okay. In interrogative sentence, we use question mark. Always use question mark. And in affirmative and negative sentence, assertive sentence, we use full stop. And in affirmative sentence we use full stop. Negative, full stop. And in interrogative sentence, a sentence that asks a question, always use question mark in the last of the sentence. This is necessary. For example, what's your name? Where do you live? There are 2 kinds of interrogative sentence. First, WH questions, and second, yes no questions. What is a WH questions? Where we use the question words like what, where, when, why, who, whose, how much, how many. These are the WH type questions. And yes no, इसमें हम लोग केवल हाँ या ना में ही उत्तर देते हैं yes no questions में. और ये yes no questions जो है always begins with auxiliary verbs. जैसे has, have, had, is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, can, make, might. These are the auxiliary verbs जिसके द्वारा yes no type question जो है वो begin शुरू होते हैं. ठीक है. थर्ड, imperative sentence. imperative sentence में आप एक बात जानते हैं, इसमें जो सब्जेक्ट होता है यू ऑलवेज हिडन, वो छुपा हुआ होता है, दिखाई नहीं पड़ता है. अ सेंटेंस दैट एक्सप्रेसेस एन ऑर्डर, रिक्वेस्ट, कमांड, ओके, एडवाइस और अ पीस ऑफ एडवाइस इज कॉल्ड एन इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके. इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस, अ सेंटेंस that expresses an order, a request or a piece of advice is called an imperative sentence. For example, come here, go there, please give me your pen, okay, please give me a glass of water, help the poor, obey your parents. These are the examples of imperative sentence. ठीक है. कभी कभी imperative sentence एक शब्द का भी हो सकता है, come, go, okay, understood. Next, optative sentence. Fourth kind of sentence is optative sentence, means इच्छा सूचक या कामना सूचक वाक्य. The sentence which shows some blessings, curse, prayer or wish. Okay, some blessings, curse, prayer or wish. ठीक है. That is optative sentence. और इसमें एक बात ध्यान रखिएगा, सेंटेंस के लास्ट में नोट ऑफ एक्सक्लामेशन. ठीक है. ये मार्क एक्सक्लामेशन ऑप्टेटिव में भी और एक्सक्लामेटरी, ये दोनों सेंटेंस में नोट ऑफ एक्सक्लामेशन या मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लामेशन अवश्य होता है, हम इसका यूज करते हैं. ओके. नाउ फिफ्थ, एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस. व्हाट इज एन एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस? अ सेंटेंस दैट एक्सप्रेसेस some strong and sudden heart is called exclamatory sentence. For example, how beautiful. Okay, I hope that all of you have understood the topic sentence.